Emunah goes from 500%, now we're closer to 1,000. Because you're seeing Hashem. It's not about believing in Hashem. Believe anybody. Any moron can believe there has to be a creator. You don't have to be a genius to believe there has to be a creator. Even if you love science and you think everything came from some cell, and the cell turned into another cell, and another cell went through the process of mitosis, and it went into 4 cells, and 4 cells became 8 cells, and somehow it became a fish, and the fish grew legs and became a lizard, and the lizard somehow became so perfect he became a monkey, and the monkey is here. Let's say it all happened. Even if you believe in that, where did this first cell come from? Where did the first cell come from? Has to be a creator. Has to be. Someone had to put the first cell in the world. You don't need to be a genius for that. Science or no science. But knowing God is what Hashem commands us. You need to know that I exist. Part 3 helped us know.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.